Hey guys, it's Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Just want to talk to you about the beauty of fiberglass. The thing I love the most is the fact that it's so versatile. You could build a big 30-foot yacht like this one, or you could copy off this vent here and make this out of fiberglass. If you've got your own design, you want to make a hatch for your aquaponics or something, you can just get a piece of foam out and start shaping it. Smear some dirt over the top of it, or put some aluminium foil over it and make a part. There's no end to what you can make. You could make parts for your street car, for your race car, for your truck. It doesn't matter what it is. It's something you can build out of fiberglass. It is the creative's person's dream, having fiberglass. I'll never run out of things to make. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next video.